Here's a little unboxing video for this package. I Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are an artist on Instagram, you must know about this brand called Stationery. Actually, it's a art supply store in Kolkata, and nowadays it is having a huge popularity and hype on Instagram these days because of their super affordable products, and and they are supposed to be of good quality. So I wanted to try this, and so I got some products for myself. So let's see what I got. Here's a little unboxing video for this package. I ordered it on 2nd July and the package arrived to me on 8th of July. So that was really fast, and these are the supplies that I ordered. The box was properly packed and there was bubble wrap used. So these are all the things that I ordered. The first thing here is the Stationery Signature Round Liner set. It is a set of 4 brushes and it cost me just rupees 199. The next brush set is the Stationery Classic set of 7 round brushes, and it is a snow edition. And snow edition is because it is white in color, and it cost me just rupees 299. The next item that we have here is the Artist Heavy Paper Pad Sketchbook, and it is 7 by 7 inches in size, 240 GSM. The cover is very sturdy, and there are 40 sheets in this paper pack. And can you imagine the cost? It's just rupees 170. Yes, you heard me right. The cost of a 7 by 7 is 240 GSM sketchbook for just rupees 170. The next sketchbook that we have is similar to the previous one. It is just 5 by 7 inches in size, and the details are similar to that one. It is 160 rupees, 40 sheets, 240 GSM. This is a black gouache. I was finished with my black gouache, so I had to buy this. And the next item, or the last item we can say, is this artist picture varnish that I needed for my acrylic paintings. I never believed when others said that it was such a good brand, but now I can totally understand why they said that. I'm already so happy and excited about these. So let's just open these brushes and see what they can do. So these are the 4 brushes. These are the liner brushes because they used for very detailed paintings, and I must say that these are very royal, and the handle of these brushes is really classy and looks super gorgeous in my hands. So let's open the another pack, that is our snow edition brushes. I have just opened the package, but I can totally say that I am in love with these brushes. The handles are super awesome. They look so classy in my hands, and it feels so good to hold these brushes. I am in love with these brushes totally. You have to agree with me on this. So these are the 7 brushes. These are the round brushes, and as you can see, they have a super pointy tip. That is one basic requirement if we are painting. So I'm really already loving them so much. As you can see in the video, the bristles are really sharp, the handle looks gorgeous, and they come in a set of 7 brushes for just rupees 299. As you know from my Instagram handle and the YouTube channel name, I love brushes, and I'm so excited to own these 11 brushes now. So next we are gonna try these amazing brushes on this beautiful sketchbook that I got, and we will try this using watercolors, and we will get to know if these brushes are worth the hype or not. We will paint a quick painting today and try these brushes out. I have got my supplies here, my color sheets, The sketchbook that I'm gonna use is this blue one that is 5 by 7 inches size, and we will try how these brushes work out on this. First of all, what we need to do with our new brushes is dip them in a glass of water, in a jar of water, and clear the gum that is on these brushes. The gum that is applied on these brushes is to preserve them so that they don't get ruined while they are kept in inventory. Keep the brushes in water for just few seconds and check if the gum is properly removed. If not, then you have to remove it properly. So I have taped down my paper with the masking tape, and here's a little process video for the painting. I hope you enjoy it. The water holding capacity of these brushes is amazing, as you can see in the video. I will try wet on wet technique for the bottom part of this painting. So the background is done. We will try these detailer brushes for the foreground. This sketchbook is smaller than it appears, and these brushes work so well on this paper, and as you can see, each and every strand that I'm drawing is clearly visible and separated from the others. So that is looking so amazing, and I really never thought that it would look so good. I made these lights using white gouache. So this is the final completed painting, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful already. Let me give you a closer look so you can see it better. Now let's remove these tapes and see if we get clear edges, and yes, we got the clear edges. I'm so happy because I already love this paper and I would have very much regretted it if it didn't peel out properly. Okay, so this one was my problem. I didn't paste the tape properly on this side, so that's why it didn't peel out better, but trust me, this works super well with masking tapes and it won't tear up your paper, which is really a big issue, I know that. So this is how our final painting looks like. The colors look beautiful, the strokes are beautiful and they are super detailed. I love this piece and I love how these brushes gave this painting a very natural look that I was looking for. So now I can totally assure you guys that this paper works very well for watercolors. It is 240 GSM thick and doesn't wrinkle or tear up. This sketchbook is similar to that one and I'm only giving a small test of how the colors look like on this paper. So I am using a green watercolor to see if it blends properly on this, and yes, it does. So the color has spread very evenly and it gives a beautiful texture, and the paper has not wrinkled or buckled at all. So this was it guys, that was my experience with the stationery products and I am totally in love with these. If you are thinking of buying these products, these brushes or these sketchbooks, then I would suggest that you definitely go for it because they are totally worth the hype. I will put the link for this website in the description box below, so go and check this out. They have other variety of products as well. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing unboxing videos, and tell me in the comments what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Bye.